Hello guys, welcome to the next section of the course, a developer's approach to data cleaning. In this section, we will get an overview of the fundamentals of the different kinds or types of statistical data cleansing. Then, using the R programming language, we will illustrate various working examples, showing each of the best or commonly used data cleansing techniques. Now we move on to the first video of this section that deals with understanding basic data cleaning. In this video, we will understand the basics of data cleaning. Then we will look at the common data issues and cleaning techniques in detail. Let's begin with what is data cleaning. It is also referred as data scrubbing and involves both the processes of detecting as well as addressing errors, omissions, and inconsistencies within a population of data. This may be done interactively with data wrangling tools or in batch mode through scripting. We will use R in this course as it is well fitted for data science since it works with even very complex datasets, allows handling of the data through various modeling functions. During cleansing, you first use logic to examine and evaluate your data pool to establish a level of quality for the data. The level of data quality can be affected by the way the data is entered, stored, and managed. Cleansing can involve correcting, replacing, or just removing data points or entire actual records. As a data developer, one should not be new to the concept of data cleaning or the importance of improving the level of quality of data. A data developer will also agree that the process of addressing data quality requires a routine and regular review and evaluation of the data. We can categorize data difficulties into several groups. Let's look at the commonly accepted groupings of data issues: accuracy, completeness, update status, relevance, consistency, reliability, appropriateness, accessibility. Moving on to the cleaning techniques. Typically, the data cleaning process evolves around identifying those data points that are outliers or those data points that stand out for not following the pattern within the data that the data scientist sees or is interested in. Other few data cleaning techniques include validity checking. It involves applying the rules to the data to determine if it is valid or not. The next technique is enhancement. This is a technique where data is made complete by adding related information. Harmonization is another technique. With this technique, data values are converted or mapped to other, more desirable values. Standardization. This involves changing a reference dataset to a new standard. For example, use of standard codes. The last technique that we will see is domain expertise. This involves removing or modifying data values in a data file based upon the data scientist's prior experience or best judgment. In this video, we covered the fundamentals of data cleaning and its techniques in detail.